Just found out why this shifter's loose. So there's a neutral. There's a little bit of play. It has a little bit of play on the shifter cables, but not enough to make it like this. Come to find out, it's this piece in there. There's a lot of play. So if you're Buick Regal GS or what is it called, 6-speed GM transmission, it's wobbly like this, it's probably gonna be this guy right there, son of a gun. And then just wait, it'll take it off and just right back here till it clicks, and then get to that part.